Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the front and rear cameras on the Samsung Galaxy A22 5G mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and remove the back cover from the body. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, create an opening using a suction cup and then insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. This process will take some time. Next, gently take out the back cover. Next, remove 4 screws to take out the camera lens with the frame. Next, undo 12 screws in the mid frame. Next, use a plastic car pry tool to create an opening to separate the mid frame. Be gentle and work around the edges to free the plastic clips. While pulling out the mid frame, be gentle. The button flex is attached to the frame. Next, disconnect the battery connector. Next, disconnect the button connector. Now you can free the mid frame from the body. Next, disconnect the not working front camera from the body. Next, unplug the not working macro camera from the board. Next, remove the logic board from the body. First, disconnect the LCD connector and main flex connector, and then 2 antenna heads from the board. Next, undo the screw, and then gently pull out the logic board from the body. This process might take some time and be gentle. Next, flip the board to take out the not working rear cameras. Disconnect and pull out the wide and ultra-wide cameras from the board. Next, place and secure the new wide and ultra-wide cameras into the board. Next, place and secure the logic board by adding the screw. Next, secure the LCD and main flex connector plugs. Next, install the new macro camera. Next, place and secure the new front camera. Next, secure the button flex. Next, connect the battery plug. Next, fasten the mid frame and secure it by adding 12 screws. Next, secure the camera lens with the frame by adding 4 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the rear car with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.